Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use an AI Portrait Cutout feature in Filmora. Essentially, this feature is used to remove the background of a video, especially if the video has a person in it. For example, I do have this clip from Lunch Tech Tip video, and I just want to remove the background, but I'm going to be keeping the person precisely in the video. So what you need to do is you have to put the video into the timeline, and after that, you have to double click on the clip and then go to video, click AI tools, and then enable AI Portrait Cutout. By the way, it is worth mentioning that this AI feature is not available in Filmora 13 or below, so you have to make sure that you're running Filmora 14 or above. Otherwise, you won't be able to use this fantastic AI feature. Anyway, I will go ahead and enable AI Portrait Cutout. Now, the process is pretty quick. You can see that it has been removed, even though it's still processing, but for some reason I can see the result right away. But yeah, that's basically it. And there is also another feature called Smart Cutout. It is very similar to AI Portrait Cutout, but Smart Cutout will allow you to specify which area of the video that you want to remove and which area that you want to keep in your video. Now, since the background is empty, we can fill it with something else. So I want to try adding, let's try perhaps okay, I want to try using this video. So I'm going to drag this clip and then put it below the timeline where I enable AI Portrait Cutout, and I guess I'm going to be keeping the project settings. Okay, I have to put it below it. And in case you cannot do that, then you probably have to do the other way around. You have to put this clip on top of the actual clip. So let me zoom in so you can see it clearly. Okay, this is probably because of the settings that I have. Right. Now this is the result. As you can see, now Linus is in the rice field. That's basically how you can use AI Portrait Cutout in Filmora to remove the background. So, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Take care.